I'd like to thank you very much for not only giving us a good investment vehicle, but giving us a good education along the way. And I wanted to ask you, when are you going to write your book?
There doesn't seem to be any need for me to write a book. Everybody else is doing it. You know, at one time or another, I've said everything I know and a good bit more. So I've never felt compelled to do. I really feel that the annual reports are sort of a book on the installment system. Plus, I think very few people write two books, and I have this kind of unwarranted optimism, I guess, that the best is always yet to come, and that there are a lot more interesting things are going to happen. And I would hate to preclude commenting on those. So I think it's going to be a few years, but I may get around to it at some point. Charlie, are you going to write a book?
No, but you're always meeting a new one, and therefore you can never finish the book.
As a courtesy, Charlie and I are leaving each other out of the book that we write.